Yeah, I need the thickness of the tires and then the length. This is Moneyworms.
Sheila's a good little fixie, and Sheila's got a little all these stickers.
This is going to be the idea behind the bike stand. It's going to be a wood slot that sits somewhere between a 45 and 90 degree angle, and then it's going to have wings that come out at the bottom as a base for support. Crude drawing of how this is going to work. So it should be about this shape. This is going to be the support that holds it. This is just how many pieces of wood I need. I think it's going to be a little long, so I think I'm going to have to cut off a little piece of it. This is the gist of it. Now I can make the wings, and then we can bring this bike stand back to Moneyworms. It certainly works. Damn. After screwing everything together, I decided these corners needed just a little more support. Thanks for checking this video out. If you want to see some Moneyworms content, he streams live on Twitch on Sundays and Wednesdays. He takes drawing requests, he does dream interpretations, you can buy a hamster potentially. It's all over the place, but it's a great time. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe, or don't do anything. Yeah, I'll see you next time.